Today I'm going to teach you how to create this crazy tracking effect super easily inside of After Effects for music videos. Let's go. So right now we have a clip right here of Cinch. What we're going to first do is we're going to track it. So we do so by going to this tracker icon. Make sure you're selected on your clip, and I'm going to trim this comp down so it's the same length of the clip. And then we're going to hit stabilize motion. Now, by the way, if you don't see this tab, just make sure you hit window, workspaces, all panels should be here on the right. And then what you're going to see is a tracking point. So we're going to drag this tracking point to something that is visible the entire frame. His nose. Yeah, I mean, his nose is visible. Okay, so the inside tracking point is basically the area that we're going to be tracking, and then the outside tracking square is the range that it can move within the length of a frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to expand this so his nose is completely in view, and then we're going to say like his nose can move in this range, maybe depending upon a scene. And now we're just going to hit this play button, and this might take a couple tries depending on how your footage is. If it's darker, if it's shakier, it might be different, but we actually got a very good track our first go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit apply, and I'm make sure I set this to X and Y, hit OK, and boom, if we play that out, his nose is now tracked, aka his face. And basically if you hover your mouse over his nose, it stays in the exact same spot the whole time. So now what we're gonna do is we're just going to scale this up a crap ton so that there's no black edges. And then yeah, everything looks super sick and tracked. But one thing you might notice is we might lose some quality because we're zooming in a lot. So one cover app I like to use for this is the radial blur. I go to my effects and presets and I search for CC radial blur, apply that to our layer. You're gonna see another point, drag that to his nose as well. And then we're just going to increase the amount until we get a nice like blur amount. I'm gonna do it very light, maybe like 2, maybe 3 if I'm feeling crazy. And then as you can see, we have this nice like motion blur focused on his nose. But we're not gonna stop there. We really wanna spice things up. So I'm gonna actually open up the VFX kit in Window Extensions. I'm gonna hit VFX kit. Shout out to Lurking Visuals. He made this crazy plugin for music video editing. And basically it has a bunch of different presets built inside of the plugin that you can apply with just the click of a button. Super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, I want like an overlay. I'm feeling like CRT. So I know there's some cool CRT overlays in here. All I literally do, watch, I just go on my timeline and I just hit apply. And then boom, just like this, we have some CRT effects applied. And yeah, this is looking really sick. That's just one example. Let's try something else. I mean, there's other CRT effects in here as well, but this is kind of crazy. That is still cool. That's a lot though. There's also some effects. There's like hits, there's camera shakes, stuff like this. I can create an adjustment layer by hitting Shift A, which is my hotkey. So I can go ahead and apply, like let's do horizontal hit 2, and I'm selected on my adjustment layer, and I hit apply, and then boom, just like that, we have this crazy camera shake, and then it's focused. Yeah, this is really cool. Just a really cool way to spice up this clip and just make it really look cool and aesthetic. Hope you guys found something useful. Just wanted to make a really quick short tutorial today. If you want to check out Lurking Visuals VFX plugin, I've linked down to it below. Hope you guys found this helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can automatically edit music videos to the beat of the song and apply visual effects to your entire video inside of Premiere Pro in one click, you can check out this video linked right here.